Hey, it's meteorologist Cory Reppenhagen here with the 9 News Weather Impact Team, taking a look at that hot forecast for you. We have a 9 News Weather Impact Alert going into effect here on Sunday into Monday because of this heat advisory for the potential for some extreme heat here across the Front Range, including Denver. We could see those temperatures in the 99 to 102 range here, which is a good 9 to 10 degrees above our normal. Here's your forecast for Sunday in Denver. We'll get about 6 to 12 inches of sunshine across the day. Lots more sunshine like we have seen really consistently with this whole heat wave. Temperatures this time up there close to the upper 90s. 98 could be a very good possibility. Our overall forecast 99 here in Denver. We could see some 100s up here to the northeast and to the southeast. Also out on the western slope, another chance to see some 100s. The mountains will get some of those monsoon rain showers. Once again, could limit the heating a little bit, but these temperatures are still pretty high. Telluride's been in the 70s the last couple of days, maybe a little bit warmer with just a little bit more space in between storms tomorrow. So that weather impact alert here for you. Now, the way you're going to defeat the heat, this seems pretty common sense, but limit your exposure. Stay indoors in the AC. Stay hydrated. If you sweat a lot, you might want to use the sports drinks because that replaces the sodium and the chloride that you lose when you sweat. So that's preferred over water in that instance, but the water will be your friend. Play in the sprinklers, in the lake, the rivers, and don't overexert yourself. You're just not going to be able to accomplish the things that you want to get done that you may have planned for Sunday and Monday. Taking a look at futurecast here, we will see the return of some monsoon showers back in the western half of the state. So it's two different kind of weather patterns going on. We start out clear across the entire state, but the clouds and showers quickly build in here. They're a little bit smaller, a little bit more widespread, a little bit more fast moving, so maybe a little less flooding potential, but those rain showers could still be heavy at times on the Front Range. Maybe a sprinkle is about all we can hope for tomorrow afternoon. And then the same thing repeats here on Monday. We start out dry across the morning. Those clouds return pretty quickly. This time on Monday, focused more to the northern half of the mountains, and that could spill over to the northern Front Range. This could bring a little bit more than sprinkles, maybe something significant, but really our significant rain won't likely come until Tuesday when the monsoon moisture gets wrapped around and pulled into the Front Range. So the red boxes here, that's signifying the 9 News Weather Impact Alert, just letting you know that these temperatures are just a little bit closer to extreme, and that could have a little bit more of an impact, say with just the middle 90s, which we have been seeing very consistently, could hit 100 on Monday. Temperatures likely going to stay pretty warm here, maybe even above 90 for most of the week. But the good news here is some really significant rain chances coming up Tuesday through at least Thursday, maybe bleeding into Friday and Saturday a little bit. But that is really good coverage, really good news. A lot of us will get rain at least once during this week. And then on Saturday, we'll be right back into the middle 90s again as we crank up the heat a little bit as this hot July and hot 2026 continues. That is a look at your forecast. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you all have a real cool Sunday.